So in this video, you'll learn how to install Roblox on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So start by opening the Google Play Store, and then you want to use the search function and you want to type in Roblox. Once you've typed it in, simply select search and wait for the results to appear. You should see it listed in the search results, so tap on it and ensure that in the app details you see that it's by Roblox Corporation. Once you've confirmed that, simply select install and wait for the app or for the game to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been installed, you can just tap on play, or you can go to the home screen or app store, look for the app itself and just tap on it. Once you've tapped on it, you can now simply sign in or create a new account and start playing Roblox games on your S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.